his confinement at the Oakland County Jail, and pursuant to MCL 764.27A, I'm not sure that he is fully away from the sounds of the adult inmates. And pursuant to the court rule, basically 6.909, there really has to be an assessment that he is either considered a menace to other juveniles or may not otherwise be safely detained in a juvenile facility. I understand the severity of what occurred. I think everybody does, including Mr. Crumbley, but I don't know that simply, indicating that because the victims were of his age, that he would necessarily be a menace. So I do have concerns for him and his mental and emotional well-being. He currently is not able to benefit fully by what every other inmate at the jail can. Some has been due to a watch, but it is just very difficult. And the court knows the jail isn't conducive. It's not designed for juveniles. So, so I would just like some direction. Do you want a written motion? And I can lay everything out. I just feel that if I have to look out for what is best interest, it's not being at the jail. I believe his needs can be met at the village. At least he will have greater human contact. He will have more services available to him to help him through this. I just feel that it is truly in his best interest. And I don't know that he really meets the standard of the court rule in the statute. And I know that, his charge is not unique in the sense that there have been other children housed at the village with these type of offenses and being charged as an adult. I just feel that he's, I'm not being humorous when I say this, but he could still at least be in school. I mean, there are things, he is still 15 years of age. And there are certain things, many things he's not going to get at the jail. And so I'm imploring you on behalf of him and what's in his best interest that we allow him to go back to the village. I'm not aware for the brief time that he was there, he caused any difficulty. I just think for his age, his mental, physical, emotional well-being, housing him at the village would serve him more than where he currently is. I know from what he told me on Friday, he hears adults in the cells next door to him. Pursuant to the statute, he's not supposed to, and I'm of the belief that they are adults, that they are not other juveniles.